guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with a really quick review of the Body Blends. This is the, there we go. This is the Shimmer Cream Scrub. It is in the sugar cocoa kind of flavor or scent, if you will. Body Blends did reach out to me and asked me if I wanted to give this product a go. So thank you, Body Blends, for reaching out and sending me this product. So guys, I forgot to mention that Body Blends was kind enough to give me a coupon code for you guys. So if you enter the code Ashley20 at checkout, you will receive 20% off your purchase. That is a coupon code just for you. I make no money off that. It is just for you guys to save some cash at checkout. So if you're wanting to pick it up, make sure you use that code and save yourself some monies. So if you're interested in hearing a little bit more about this scrub, then just keep watching. So let's have an up close look at the product. It comes in this squishy pouch with a little knob at the top, so it means you can really make sure you can squeeze all the product out so you know that you're not wasting any of the product. The product itself is made in Australia with white Australian clay. It has a bunch of really nourishing oils in it, as well as coffee granules, which is meant to help stimulate circulation to hopefully improve the look of cellulite and stretch marks in the skin. This particular formulation has micro glitters within it, which creates a beautiful luminescent sheen or glow all over the skin, which leaves the skin looking really dewy and hydrated. Now looking at the back, it does give you some instructions on how you're meant to apply it, and it has a list of the ingredients. This is meant to be all vegan and natural products as well. So there is castor oil, grapeseed oil, obviously coffee, jojoba oil, sugar, shea butter, macadamia oil, a whole bunch of really nourishing ingredients which are really going to help to moisturize, and the coffee granules that are in there to help kind of slough off any dead skin cells on the skin, so it leaves your skin feeling really smooth. The product itself comes with 150 grams, and you just open up this little nozzle here, and then you just squeeze the product out, and this is what it kind of comes out looking like. So it is a really kind of thick formula, and a little bit goes a long way. You do not need a lot of this whatsoever. I was thinking a lot of these kind of coffee scrubs, you go in and you pick out a handful and pretty much half the bag is gone within one application. I've used this 3 or 4 times already, and I still have so much of the product left. I'm just going to squeeze out a little bit and just show you what the actual texture of the product is like. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the kind of pouch. It has a very coffee kind of scent, so if you're sensitive to coffee scent, you might not enjoy this, but it definitely has a strong kind of coffee scent. The best way that I've found to apply this is in the shower on damp skin. So I would do this product last as your kind of shower routine, so make sure you do any kind of hair or shaving or anything like that before, and this is kind of your last step, because it does have those micro glitters and you don't want to be washing any of that off if you are after that really shimmery glossy finish to your skin. So this is what the product looks like when you apply it on your skin. As you can see, it does have those coffee granules inside it as well. I myself like to squeeze out a portion just into the palms of my hands and then go in and massage it all over the body. Not under the stream of the shower itself, but a little, just stand a little bit out and just go to town and scrub your skin. Again, you don't need much, so really focus it on the areas of concern, such as I like to focus on the tops of my thighs where I struggle with a little bit of cellulite, and also backs of my thighs and a bit on my bum as well, just to make sure I'm really focusing on those areas to help improve the look of the skin in those parts. I do find that if you apply too much, it is a bit difficult to remove off the skin, and sometimes I feel a little bit, I don't want to say slimy, but just like a little bit, I can just feel a little bit of the residue on the skin. So sometimes at the end I do, as I'm rinsing it off, apply a tiny little bit of body like wash into my hand and lather it up and use that to help rinse off the coffee granules which is left over, just so my skin doesn't have that bit of that oily kind of residue. If you have really dry skin, you might really enjoy that part of the product. I did find on my skin where I have like an oily skin type, I didn't really enjoy that kind of feeling on my skin after I get out of the shower. This product you are meant to be able to use on your face as well. I personally chose not to use it on my face because of the little micro glitters. I don't want anything that's going to exacerbate the look of the oil production, which my face already makes enough of on its own. So putting any kind of more oils or even like a shimmery product on my face, I'm just like not into. So this I use strictly just for my body. As far as exfoliating goes, I didn't find that the product is such a vigorous exfoliator, and so far I haven't noticed anything with cellulite on my body or the appearance of stretch marks. What I have noticed though is my body has this beautiful sheen all over it. I can definitely see myself using this on a special occasion where you want to have that dewy kind of glossy skin. Say if you're going to the beach and you just want to look super luminous, or if you have an event coming up and you really want your skin to kind of catch that glow and that sparkle, this product would be amazing. This particular Body Blends scrub retails for $19.95 Australian dollars, but do keep in mind that I have that 20% off coupon code as well, which is again just Ashley20. You can use that at checkout and save yourself some cash if you are looking to pick this up. As far as body scrubs go, I think it is a good one. I haven't used too many in the past. One that I did use was by a brand that has like, it was meant to have like granules of like stardust in it or whatever, and charcoal, and I ended up applying it. The oils within it, I literally turned black. I couldn't get it off my skin. I was grey. To get the actual product off my skin, I had to go in with my Clarisonic scrubber and like scrub my skin raw to actually get the product off. So I was really pleasantly surprised and happy that this just washes off really nicely in the shower. Like I said, to get rid of a little bit of the oily residue, I do like to go in with a little bit of my body wash just as I am washing off the granules of the coffee. You still are left with that beautiful shiny iridescent look to the skin, but my skin isn't left with a oily texture at all when I do that method. So we're gonna now just jump right into the demo portion of this video so you guys can check it out. Guys, I've already wet my body, but I've just stepped out of the shower for this little portion, and I'm just going to push out a little bit of the Body Blends Cocoa Scrub, and I'm going to begin to scrub that all over my body. It's really thick and it applies really well and generously. You don't need too much of this product. I'd say probably about this much, and then the same amount again just for your lower half of the body, which I'm going to give a good scrub. Once I'm happy with that and I've scrubbed away all that dead skin, I'm going to just step back into the shower and rinse it all off, and then I'm going to come back out and I'm just going to tap my skin dry. Because of those little particles, the shimmers within this product, you don't want to go and like rub your skin down. Just pat your skin so it makes sure that all of the little glitters kind of stay on your skin and aren't all kind of rubbed off on your towel. And then this is what your skin looks like. It has beautiful little shimmers all over it, which really reflects the light. Your skin just looks healthy and juicy and glowy, perfect for summer or when you have a special event to go to. The little glitters will just catch the light while you're out, and it just looks so stunning. So as you can see, my skin was just left with a beautiful, dewy, luminous finish to the skin, which is really beautiful. Again, something that I would like to use on a day where I'm going to the beach, or maybe when I'm going on a night out, when I'm going to know it's like nighttime, there's like beautiful flash photography. I know that my skin is just going to look so luminous and glowy and really nourished. So I love this product for that. Like I said, I haven't noticed any of the claims about reducing cellulite or stretch marks, but I've only been using it for just over a week now. So there's still plenty of time to be able to notice those differences, but I haven't had a chance to really notice any of those claims as of yet. So if you're after a scrub that just gives you that little bit extra, this is a great option, I think. The shimmering aspect to it really just goes that extra mile to make your skin really look glowy and luminous. This is a great product to try. I love that this is vegan, all natural, and it's made in Australia as well. Thank you so much to Body Blends for sending me this to try out. Like I said, guys, if you are interested in trying it, make sure to use that coupon code Ashley20 to save yourself some money. That is just a coupon code for you guys. I make no money off that whatsoever. It is just for you to enjoy and test the product out yourself to see if you like it. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave me a big like, thumbs up. It really does help me out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.